In previous videos, we've done all sorts of testing with gasoline engines and trying to use different products as fuels. It's quite impressive what a gasoline engine will run on, but what about a diesel? I've had hundreds of requests to test diesel engines running on different types of products. So today we'll begin the testing with sweet and sour crude oil. So let's get the testing underway and see if this is going to work. A big thank you to Jerry from North Dakota for providing the crude oil. We previously tested sweet and sour crude oil in a gasoline engine. We did some lubricity testing on the lubricity tester. I recommend checking out that video if you haven't seen it yet. It's quite interesting. Sour crude oil has a great film strength because it has a lot of sulfur in it. Sweet crude oil has higher viscosity but doesn't have as much film strength because it doesn't have the sulfur in it. I'm big on safety, so I always recommend wearing a respirator as well as gloves and eye protection if you're going to be dealing with chemicals. Just like we use in other videos, I'll be using this kilowatt device which measures volts, amps, and watts. I'll be using this space heater to apply a load on the generator. So this is the crankcase ventilation. I've added this hose in order to see how much blow-by is taking place. So in order to establish our baseline regarding how well this engine runs, we're just going to run it on diesel fuel and then we'll switch over to crude oil. We're going to start out testing the sour crude oil. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get this engine to run off the sour crude. I'm going to go ahead and mix the diesel with the sour crude oil and see if we can get it to run. So obviously this engine does not like sour crude oil. So I am just curious if this engine will run off of straight 100% sweet crude oil. So that's what I'll do is go ahead and add that to the tank now. There is no diesel in this mix and we'll see if it'll run. Well, I'm really surprised that we were able to get the diesel engine to run on light sweet crude oil, but we couldn't get it to work at all on the sour crude oil. Now this is the exact opposite of what we saw last time with the gasoline engine. We were able to get a gasoline engine to run on the sour crude oil, but it took a 50% gasoline, 50% sweet crude oil mix to have the engine run on the sweet crude oil last time. Now on a diesel engine, obviously things are quite a bit different. It's always fun to see how these different products work. I don't recommend playing with crude oil unless you have the proper personal protective equipment, especially sour crude oil. Anyway, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Please take care, and I look forward to seeing you next time.